Okay, so you finish design your RPA. So from now on, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can publish your design robot to orchestrator, your UiPath orchestrator, where after that they are going to display to your UiPath assistant so that you can execute it without opening this UiPath Studio software. You can execute your robot, your design robot through this UiPath Assistant. So how you can publish your work? Okay, how you publish into the robot. So you open your design RPA, something like this, what we did just now, notepad automation, for example. So you go to the main ribbon here, and then you just click, left click, publish. Okay, then you can write the name, suitable name for your published robot. For example, this one, I'm just writing the notepad automations, and then I just click publish. Then they're going to build up, and then you can see the project is being published. They created already the robot. You can see from the orchestrator already. And then the name and the versions of the robot. Okay, the name you can take note here, where I'm going to show the same name that has been going to be displayed on the UiPath Assistant. So notepad automations. So next you can open your UiPath Assistant. Okay, that's something like this, UiPath Assistant, not UiPath Studio, UiPath Assistant. So you can see UiPath Assistant is something like this. Then you can see the robot that you published just now being displayed here. Okay, but we need to left click, then only they're going to install in your local PC. So for this case, I'm just left click it, and then they are going, this UiPath Assistant are going to install it in your local PC. So next, I'm going to show to you how you can run this one, isn't it? Okay, so you go to this notepad automations, already been installed. So how to run it? So just click this button, run. So I can see they're going to run. Of course, they can do some necessary. And then you can see this, they're running this notepad automations. FND, and then file, exit, then don't save. That's it. So this is the step you need to do in order to publish and test run your design robots.